Welcome back viewers. In today's video we will uninstall the XFCE Desktop. To uninstall the XFCE Desktop you have to log in into any other desktop that is available but not XFCE Desktop. So here in the session manager you can see we have got IceWM session, LXQT Desktop that was installed in the last video. You have got OpenBox and the XFCE session. So you cannot log in into XFCE session and then uninstall XFCE Desktop. That is not possible. It is possible, but then the system will become unstable and the XFCE Desktop will not be properly uninstalled. So for the clean uninstall of XFCE Desktop you have to use either of these three. So I am going to use the LXQT Desktop. So let us start. Now we open the Yast Software Manager. You can see there is some issue with the LXQT Desktop. The top and the bottom there are black bands are available, so it is not scaling properly to the resolution. So I don't know what is the issue. It should start. Okay, what we will do is if it doesn't start soon, LXQT sudo should work. I don't know why it is not accepting. Okay, so what I will do is I will log out. Let us use the OpenBox. There is some issue here. We can use the OpenBox session. Or even IceWM could work. Let us see. Let us use the IceWM first. Okay. What I will do is open the system, open the Yast software. This is the OpenBox session. Okay, so here this Yast software management is opening up. We had some issue with the LXQT Desktop you have seen. Now go to the patterns, select the XFCE Desktop environment, right click on it, select the delete option. So there will be a conflict resolution. So deinstallation of the XFCE Office patterns, or you can keep the pattern XFCE 202129. Okay, so we will use the first option. So it will lead to the deinstallation of XFCE Office pattern. So this is done. So here you can see some of the applications have not been selected because either they are the common applications common to the different desktops, or they are part of the base OpenSuse base system. So right now don't touch it. What we are going to do is we are just first to uninstall the XFCE pattern, and now you have to accept it. Just uninstall it first one time. After this uninstall of the XFCE pattern will be done, we will again go back and then uninstall the further XFCE packages. Okay, so the XFCE pattern has been removed and the XFCE Office pattern has been removed. So don't hit the finish button. We will continue. Now again go to the XFCE Desktop environment. Don't select the common base files or the common application files. You can go to the GNOME keyring PAM, Guten print. Okay, so here you can see this you can remove. This is a XFCE application. So you remove only the applications that you know are belonging to XFCE only. So don't touch any other applications. Okay, so this will cause the deinstallation of many of the XFCE components or packages. Leap UI Qt is also belongs to XFCE. Light DM also belongs to XFCE. But this is the welcome utility. It is, I think, common utility, so don't touch it. libqt also might be used by this openbox and lxqt, so don't touch it. Don't touch any qt package right now. Just go over. Yes, we can uninstall this remina is okay for uninstallation. Risreto is also XFCE, you can uninstall this. Samba you can keep. Shotwell you can surely remove. It is a gnome. It is just leftover application from the gnome desktop that we had installed and reviewed last week. Simple scan we can keep that. Thunar, yes, Thunar we have to remove. So uninstallation of Thunar will lead to uninstallation of the Thunar related packages. Thunar volume manager is also not required. Okay. Thumbnail management for XFC, yes, you can remove this. Wallpaper branding, you keep this. It is required for the wallpapers. XDG also is a common utility. Don't remove it. Yes, you can remove the XFC for dictionary. XFC notification daemon, you can remove it safely. XFC notification daemon branding. XFC power manager. XFC settings branding, you can remove. XFC task manager. XFC terminal also you can remove. This is the simple configuration storage for XFC. You can remove that. It will lead to uninstallation of more than 10 packages. XFC desktop branding also you can remove. XFC branding. Yes, this is also XFWM, that is the window manager for XFC. Don't remove the Yast control center Qt. It is common package. You can keep the simple scan and print configuration utility and the printer applet, that is common. Power control is common. Pidgin also you can keep. Polkit gnome, of course you can remove this, not required now. Don't remove the display manager right now. It might be required for the LXQT and the openbox. You can maximize the window to check out properly. Network manager applet, don't uninstall that. I think we are done. We are already selected most of the applications that need to be uninstalled for the complete removal of the XFCE desktop package. Now hit the accept button. So 80 packages were totally removed in 23 seconds. We will continue and go back again to the patterns. Select the XFCE desktop and you just check once again. If any of the XFCE specific application is pending, you can uninstall that. We will not install this XDG. You can see XDG is this related to the passwords, so we will not uninstall this. Utilities to handle user direct user data directory. So it will handle the password directory and everything. So password will be stored somewhere. So it will handle the configuration file access also. And some utilities are there to uniformly interface desktop environments. So that is a common file. You will not remove that. I think you can see here everything with the XFCE4 name has been removed. XFCE Desktop, XFCE configuration, XF Windows Manager, branding also has been removed. I think XFCE Desktop is now removed. Thunar File Manager, everything has been removed. So we accept this. So we are done. With this, I stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the LSQT desktop. See you in the next video. Bye bye.